Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage SEO audits with Screaming Frog step by step clearly. Open Screaming Frog SEO Spider and launch the application. Select the mode for your crawl by choosing between default or list. If you select list, prepare to upload a CSV file with your URLs or paste them directly into the tool. Enter your website's URL in the search bar if you choose the default mode. Configure the crawl settings in the configuration menu for specific needs such as user agent, crawl depth, or limit. Press the Start button to initiate the crawl. Monitor the progress in real time as Screaming Frog analyzes your website's pages. Once the crawl is complete, review the overview summary for key metrics such as total URLs crawled, status codes, and page titles. Browse through the various tabs like internal, external, images, and page titles to gather more detailed data. Analyze the internal tab to check for orphan pages, redirect chains, and broken links. Review the response codes tab to identify any 404 errors or server issues. Check the page titles tab for duplicate titles and ensure each page has unique and optimized titles. Utilize the meta descriptions tab to identify missing or duplicate meta descriptions. Investigate the Images tab to find images with missing alt text or large file sizes that could slow down page load speed. Export any relevant data by clicking on the Export button, allowing you to save your findings for reporting. Use filters to identify specific issues, such as filter for status codes like 200, 404, or 500. Make notes of issues found during the audit that require action or further investigation. Compile your findings into a comprehensive report to share with your team or stakeholders. Prioritize fixes based on impact and effort required to improve overall SEO performance. Schedule follow-up crawls to monitor improvements after implementing changes. Continuously refine your SEO strategies based on data gathered from Screaming Frog audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.